Hello and welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. The weather has changed, it's now slightly warm and I have started to crave for some fresh, refreshing things. That's why I'm going to make for you fresh mint choco chip cookies today. Yes, we are not going to use any mint flavors or extracts. I'm going to use, in fact, fresh mint leaves here. So, of course, the main ingredient that you need for it is these fresh mint leaves and chocolate. The other ingredients would be flour, butter, egg, some sugar, vanilla. That's optional, but I'm going to be using a little bit of it. So let's get started. But before that, let me remind you that you can find this entire written recipe with step-by-step pictures on my website anjalisbakeaffair.com, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Now let's begin. So the way we are going to use these mint leaves is, see, I've taken the stalks off and I only have the fresh leaves here. We are going to wash them and then dry them, or maybe on a paper towel or on a nice clean cloth, and then chop it up finely. If you want to have big chunks of this mint leaf in your choco chip cookies, you can also keep them pretty big and coarse. Or you can, wow, I can actually smell this mint and it makes me so refreshed already. Now I'm going to chop up all of this mint and then I'll tell you how we're going to proceed with this. So first what we're going to do is we will mix the sugar and these lovely fresh chopped mint leaves and work them and combine them together so well that the sugar gets nicely infused with this mint flavor, and that is what is going to make your mint choco chip cookies really amazing. Okay, so just do this for some time. You can also rub it with your fingers if you want. Okay, so now on to the batter for our cookies. First thing is, of course, butter. This butter should be room temperature. Don't melt it, don't heat it, just keep it out of your fridge for some time and it will come to room temperature. Then we'll add this mint infused sugar. I'm using brown sugar powder. Now you can use this whisk, okay, or you can use an electric whisk, which is the one I am going to use. So the idea is to get this sugar and butter mixed up nicely and make it a little fluffy and creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the egg. If you don't want to make these cookies with egg, you can replace this with say 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So the egg is now well incorporated. Now I'm going to add the flour and these chocolate chips. Okay, about these chocolate chips, I'm not using the traditional chocolate chips here. I've actually chopped my dark chocolate into some uneven sized chunks because that's how I like it in my cookies. Of course, you can use the regular chocolate chips or this. That is up to you. Okay, so in goes the flour along with these chocolate chunks. This whole batter, it smells divine. You'll have to make it to know what it smells like. Now you can see I have this cookie dough. It looks so good and it's absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to add some vanilla into it. I've got this vanilla bean paste which I absolutely love. So I'm going to use this. You can use vanilla extract or vanilla flavor, whatever you have available. I use this ice cream scooper to shape my cookies, but you can easily do that with a round spoon or with your hand. Now these cookies that I've made are really huge. Okay, and as you can see, I've got about 10 of them. You can make them in whatever size you want. So you can end up having more than 10 as well. Now this is going to go inside the oven at 180 degrees. They'll be ready in about 15 minutes. So these cookies are ready. They're really hot, but I still want you to have a look at this. Got a perfect base. So here are the fresh mint and chocolate chip cookies ready. Have a look at them. Such a perfect base, perfect mound. Oh, I love them. And they smell just so delicious. I can't wait to taste. I want you to have a look inside this cookie. Can you see the beautiful crumb and the green and the brown from the chocolate and the mint? Okay, so it's now time to taste this. My daughter's gonna love it because chocolate chip and mint is one of her favorite flavors. Mine too.